Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give a brief introduction of a software application called KMLin Lecture Video Recorder and Player. This application is developed by myself, and this video is taken by using this application. KMLin is used by users to capture the lecture video based on some teaching materials. It has the KMLin Lecture Video Recorder and Player software has the following features. The first feature is simple and easy to use. For simple, we can see like that we only need a computer. We can record and play lecture video. We only need a computer. We don't have to use the video camera or projector or some other facilities. We even don't need any other people to help. We only need one computer. We can do this. We can record our lecture video. For easy to use, we can see in our on our screen we have only like 5 online capture tools. We don't have any other functions. So in the file, we can create a new teaching material or open existing teaching material to give a lecture, or modify the lecture video. Online, we can load remote teaching material in maybe this material may be on the internet. For example, if you have a PDF file in a remote website, you can give the URL here, and then the KMLin Lecture Video Recorder can display it, and then you can give your lecture based on this teaching material. Then you can capture video or capture audio. If you think the video is too long, then you can just want to capture audio. Okay, you can capture it, and you can take screenshot if you think you need some pictures based on the screen, and then you can take a screenshot. You can also setting some like the cloud, your account information in there, and then after you finish your lecture, your video will be automatically published to this cloud. Okay. So this is the first feature, simple and easy to use. The second feature actually is very small video file. Okay, if you use the KMLin Lecture Video Recorder to record your lectures, the recorded video file is very small. 1 hour video can only take 7.2 megabytes without any quality loss. Okay, compared with the conventional tools to record your screen video or record your lecture video, if it is saved to a conventional video file, like for example MP4 or FLV or SWF or some file format, 1 hour file normally takes 300 megabytes. Even in this long video file, you still lose the quality. But with our KMLin Lecture Video Recorder, 1 hour lecture video file only takes 7.2 megabytes without any quality loss. Okay. The third feature is can be used in any operating systems. KMLin lecture video recorder and player can be used in any operating system. The reason is KMLin is a pure Java application. We know any computer operating system support Java applications, because our KMLin lecture video recorder and player is Java application. So our application can be run in any of the operating systems. Okay. The next feature is KMLin can be embedded in web browsers. Because our just as we said, KMLin has applet version. Because it's Java, so it has an applet version that can be embedded in most of the web browsers, such as the Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, and Safari. Okay. Users, when using KMLin lecture applet component, they don't have to install or download or install this KMLin application to the local machine. They only need to access the website. In that site, in which the KMLin lecture video component is embedded in that web page, then you can use that page to record your lecture video and play your lecture video. Okay. The next feature is we can change the color. Like the next feature is KMLin supports various formats of teaching or learning materials. Normally, lecture video is based. A lecture is based on teaching or learning materials, such as I'm giving a lecture of this KMLin lecture video. I have this text-based material, teaching material in here. You can see. Okay, so KMLin can support various format of teaching and learning materials. For example, KMLin support PPT. This is the PPT. Okay, so this KMLin support PPT lecture, and the KMLin support PDF. Like for example, PDF. Okay, this is a PDF, right? And the KMLin support the mathematics equation and formula questions explanation, and also support like handwriting, computer program, and like picture or photo. This is very useful if a doctor like to explain a X-ray photo to a patient. It can also support like some very intelligent game like Computer Go. Okay. So this is a feature. KMLin supports various formats of teaching and learning materials. KMLin can also support multiple teaching learning materials simultaneously. Now we have already given example, like we just if we want to, we have already opened many multiple teaching learning materials. If we need to change the teaching material, we only need to change the tab. Okay. Then the last feature is KMLin supports publishing to cloud directly. That means if you finish your lecture, your video is generated, and you are going to publish it to a remote cloud like YouTube or KMLin. Then when you finish it, this KMLin lecture video recorder will automatically publish it to your site. Okay, so this is the brief introduction of the KMLin lecture video recorder and the player. If you are going to get more information about this, you can access www.kmlin.com, this website. Okay, thank you for listening.